Today's question is from the Chinese Mathematical Olympiad. Now let me tell you something. This examination is famous for breaking students' confidence and then rebuilding it stronger. So it does not test the formulas. It tests how smartly you can play with the expressions. So today we are not just solving, we are outsmarting the question. So let's come to the question first. Question says, suppose x and y belongs to minus 2, 2 and xy is equal to minus 1, then the minimum value of u is equal to 4 by 4 minus x square plus 9 by 9 minus y square is what? Option number A says 8 by 5. Option number B says 24 by 11. Option number C is 12 by 7 and option number D is 12 by 5. Okay. So let's discuss this question. Given xy belongs to minus 2 and 2 and xy is what? Minus 1, and we have to find the minimum value of u. Okay, so two variables, conditions, fractions, squares. This is not just a question, it's a full family problem. But we don't cry, we will reduce this family into one single person. Okay, and we are given xy equal to minus 1, right? So we can write y equal to minus of 1 by x. Now whenever you see the two variables and one condition, immediately reduce it into one variable. Okay, now substitute into the given equation. U equal to 4 by 4 minus x square plus 9 by 9 minus 1 by x square, right? Now simplify the second term, so we get 9 by 9 minus 1 by x square is what? 9x square by 9x square minus 1. So the final expression becomes what? U equal to 4 by 4 minus x square plus 9x square by 9x square minus 1, right? So see, we kicked out y from the party. Now only x remains. Less drama and more clarity, right? Now instead of blindly differentiating, we try to rearrange cleverly. So we rewrite u equal to 1 plus 35x square minus 9x to the power 4 plus 37x square minus 4. Okay. Now this step is called the algebraic manipulation mastery. Olympiad students don't calculate more, they simplify more. Okay. Now focus on the denominator. Minus of 9x to the power 4 plus 37x square minus 4. So we rewrite it like this, like 37 minus 3x minus 2 by x whole square plus 12. Okay. Now when you see a quartic, try converting into a perfect square form. Okay. Now the expression becomes what? U equal to 1 plus 35 by 37 minus 3x minus 2 by x whole square plus 12, right? So observe now, 3x minus 2 by x whole square is definitely greater than equal to 0. So the minimum value is what? Minimum value is 0. So denominator becomes maximum when 3x minus 2 by x whole square equal to 0. Now solve. 3x equal to 2 by x, or x square is 2 by 3. So to minimize the fraction, maximize the denominator. Okay. Now substitute. U equal to what? 1 plus 35 by 37 minus 0 plus 12. So that will be equal to 1 plus 35 by 25. So this is 1 plus 7 by 5. So this is 12 by 5. Okay. So the final answer for this question will be 12 by 5. So what did we just learn today? Reduce the variables using the conditions. Don't rush to calculus. Use the algebra smartly and convert the ugly expressions into the squares, and always think, how can I control the denominator? Okay, so this question tried to scare us, but we scared it back harder. Right, we just solved a classic question from the Chinese Math Olympiad. Okay, so we will discuss a very nice question, another nice question from the Chinese Math Olympiad in the next session. So don't miss that out. Okay, so see you in the next session, guys, with a new question, with a new concept. Till then, bye bye and take care.